Ayooo Friendos, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very important question for you guys. It's one of those mysteries in life where I really feel like I need your insight. I mean, was it the full moon? Was it the wine? What made me give my sister my credit card so that she could buy $125 worth of Boxycharm items to surprise me with? I'm listening. Let me know why you think I did this in the comment section down below. Today we'll be unboxing this all together and finding out exactly what she did buy for me on my credit card. There's $125 worth of goodies inside. Friendos, let's get to it. All right. Oh, she's heavy, girl. So I do know one item that's going to be inside here, and that is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Palette. I didn't realize that I was getting that in my premium box as a guarantee, so I did tell her to pick that one thing up. Ooh, we got multiple boxes in here, you guys. Full box and another full box. This one doesn't feel as weighty as the first one. Alrighty, what else we got? Ooh, something from, I believe this is pronounced Larousse, but I'm not sure. It could be Larouche. I don't know. Get to that in just a second. I'm just trying to get everything out. Okay, what do you guys say we unbox the box within the box? Let's start with box number one. Alright, so this was a Boxycharm premium box. Don't know for what month. This says it's a Bubbles and Glitz box. I can't tell what month this is from. So, we got a True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. The packaging on this is really pretty. It says this is made in Taiwan. This looks gorgeous. What do you guys think? Should we swatcheroo? Oh man, they feel creamy. This was that really pretty speckled shade. I always hate that it looks like so pretty in the pan and then you go to swatch it and, you know, it messes it up. So the other two. And lastly, this one. So yeah, they all look really pretty. So sister did a good job on this box so far. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, okay. She got me the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. I love Elemis. I think their products are spectacular. I love the way they smell. I love their skin improving benefits. So I'm extremely happy to get this. This is also very expensive. Let me see. The retail price on this is $82 normally. Wow. That palette that I just showed you was $46. So I'm gonna leave this in the box because we got a lot to get through. Oh, we have a palette from Viseart. Now, I've never tried anything from Viseart. I've always wanted to. I believe this is made in France. Don't want to tell you guys wrong. Can't find it on here, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, it says it's actually made in the USA. Ooh, guys. Very nice, neutral looking palette. And again, I've always wanted to try something from Viseart, so we'll definitely get into that one day on my channel. And that palette retails for, guess,
90.
80. Oh, how fun. It's so big. That's the name of this mascara. And let's see. This is probably going to be made in China, I bet. No, it's made in South Korea. Fabulous. I've never heard of this brand either. This is from Elizabeth Mott. Retail price on this is $20. This wand looks super luxe and nice. Can't wait to try this out. Oh, fantastic. We have All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set from a brand called Crown. This is great. I'm going to get to try out all sorts of brands that I've never tried before. So this one's made in China. This normally sells for $34.95. Hopefully these look nice. Oh, these are really pretty, Polywog. So you can never have too many brushes in your collection. I'm convinced of that. I'm very happy to add these to my collection. Okay, and last item in the box we have Cuticle Oil. Not saying that I don't need this, but I would never in a million years use this. This is from the Lifestyle Co. and it says it is nourishing and it's made in the US. I'm sure you use cuticle oil, right? Well, you do now. Here you go. All right, guys. Box number 2. Okay, so this is another Boxycharm Premium. It says Norvina Anastasia. Ooh, can't wait to see what's in here. Card's gonna be hard to read. Okay, we got from the ABH Norvina collection This is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. I hope this is the green and orange one. Y'all, I love greens and oranges, just so you know. My favorite Norvina palette is the little mini one with 9 shades, and it has like the greens and the oranges, but I can't remember what number that is in the stacks. So something worth noting is that Anastasia Beverly Hills, they are going the cheap route in manufacturing everything from the Norvina collection that I've seen. Don't let this fool you. Whenever you see made in PRC, it's the People's Republic of China. It should be the CCP for the Chinese Communist Party, essentially. But this is what she looks like inside. Ooh, out of all the Norvina palettes, this one was always the one that I liked the most. So very beautiful. Can't wait to try this out on the channel as well. Ow, got my little pinky in there. Okay, now we have from the actual Anastasia line, made in the USA, her loose setting powder. No, I've never tried her loose setting powder. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, this is dark. So this is called Golden Orange. That looks about right. I can probably use this to bronze up my body because we're going on vacation. It's been decided. I'll announce more of that later, but moving on. So then we have a brow definer. This is the triangular brow pen, just in the shade taupe. Okay, I'm probably giving this thingy away. This is gray, y'all. Yo, this says taupe, but it's gray. I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm gonna give this away to someone who has gray hair. So no thank you to my sister for that one. Just kidding. I promise you I'm not that big of a I just pretend to be. So then we have the ABH liquid lipstick, the shade Ashton. The shade is actually pretty. Who doesn't like a good new lip? Okay, so we'll try that out one day. Now we have her loose highlighter. This is interesting. Okay, so this says Anastasia Beverly Hills. Doesn't say Norvina. This is made in China. Interesting that they did that. And this is in the shade Peach Fizz. I bet you this is gonna make a really beautiful lid topper shade. I'm not gonna take the little guard off because it's probably gonna get everywhere, and I'll just wait till we go to try it out. Then we have the Shimmer Body Oil. Ooh, been wanting to try this for a long time. This is also made in China, unfortunately. So, this smells like coconut. This looks really beautiful. I love body oils like this, so definitely looking forward to trying this on. Let's see. So the Shimmer Body Oil was worth $38. The liquid lipstick, $20. The crappy brow thing that was gray was $23. The loose highlighter, $25. The loose setting powder, $38. And the Norvina palette was $60. So definitely got a good deal on this box. How much did you pay for it? What, $35? Smart shopper. Right, looks like my sister was really looking out for me. I have, I think in here, another brush. See, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be Tres Luxe or Tre Luce. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Maybe I can determine. Well, it's made in China, so I was hoping I was gonna say on here like made in Brazil or made in Italy. I'm not so wowed about this one, but you know what? Maybe it'll get the job done. To be honest, guys, it just looks kind of cheap and not well made. Like this piece right here, you can see where I don't know how to describe this. You can see where it's not well fitted to the rest of the brush. Of course, we have the Manny MUA palette. I'm not going to unbox this. I'm probably going to give this away as a gift. I'm going to see if my sister in Florida wants this. If she doesn't, then it will go in the giveaway. Then we have from Complex Culture. It seems like every brush now is just made in China. Also, the seal on this is broken. Okay, so this looks like a singular brush. It says it's an Easy Crease Definer. Interesting. This is shaped like a triangle. Hopefully you guys can see that. Either way, I did tell her that I need more detail brushes, so this will come in handy, hopefully. All these brushes, they all say designed in California, made in China, or made in PRC. Okay, lastly we have, again, I'm not sure if you pronounce it Laruche or Lauruse, I don't know. I do already have quite a few of these brushes that I acquired when I had my Allure beauty box. I've loved all of them so far, so hopefully these are nice as well. This right here looks like it'd be good for eyeliner. This looks like a good brush for blush because I have small cheeks. And then lastly, we have their Kabuki brush. Isn't that nice? It feels so good. Okay, I think this is the very last thing. Let's see what it is. Complex Culture. You guys, this feels so soft. Like it actually feels like Alexi's fur. I have a Scottish Straight and he has the softest fur in the whole world. So yeah, I can tell already that I'm going to love this. I missed an item. Okay, so last item, we have the Vike Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray. It's called the Makeup Melt, made in the USA. So friendos, I think that is absolutely everything that I got in the box. That was a lot to get through. I'm very happy with the amount and the value of everything that I got. She did get all the items on sale. They did have I think this was a 4th of July sale, and I did go through and see some of the deals. They were absolutely amazing, some of these. I mean, this was a lot of stuff for $125. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and spending time here with me. I especially hope that you'll join me again for when I try out some, because there's no way I could do this all in one video, but in the videos to come when I try out all of these wonderful makeup items and tools. If you did have fun today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite items were. And of course, I hope you subscribe if you haven't done so already, because if not, we both have to live in sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.